And so guys, to stay tuned with my God of Techniques YouTube channel, please like and subscribe and press upon the bell icon and press on all, and by doing this you can stay tuned with my YouTube channel, and please share with your friends. Hi guys, welcome to the God of Techniques channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to play Soldiers League in Modern Combat 5. And Modern Combat 5 is better than Call of Duty, Free Fire and PUBG because it is more advanced and you can become a pro easier and faster in this one. And so for playing Soldiers League, first you have to come to your lobby, and at your lobby you can see Soldiers League over here. You should press upon play and then you can see Soldiers League, and then you have to play 5 matches to become ranked in this. After becoming ranked, they'll give you ranks such as Bronze League, Silver League, Gold League, Platinum League. So like in those ways they'll be giving you ranks, but for that you have to play 5 matches at first. And so I have played 2 matches. Now I am playing one more match, which is my third match, and I'll be showing you how I'll play this match. It is Soldiers League. So let's get started. And now it is searching for opponents. Let us wait for 2 minutes. Okay guys, so the site or the place at which we play is Scramble, and it is a clue over here. When shooting explosives, try to time your shot so that the projectiles detonate at the enemy's feet or any nearby wall. So it is saying that we have to take a precise scope and shoot upon the enemies to get nice kills. So it is loading. Let us wait. Okay guys, so I want this set of weapons, so I'll choose loadout. Or if you need any other set of weapons, so you can go forward and check. You can go back, you can go forward and check. I need this set of weapons. Okay, I need this set of weapons, so I clicked upon loadout and I click upon deploy, and as I click upon deploy I will start playing. Okay guys, so let us go forward. Okay, standing. The grenade was placed, and as soon as you lose some health, oh no, killed me. Okay. And as soon as you start losing your health, it will show blood stains over your body. So let us get started. And for regaining your health, you have to cover. Cover means you have to take a hideout, or you have to hide in any of the places. Okay guys, let us go out of this building. Okay. There. Just now saw an enemy. I don't know where he is. Someone is coming in my way. There. Here he is. Okay. Yes, I killed him. Okay guys, let us go. Let us crouch. I'm losing it. he's a noob. I killed him easily. There. Okay, he's coming in my way. Oh no, he placed a grenade and so I'm dead because of that grenade. He's too intelligent. Okay, so let us deploy. Okay guys, let us start playing. Okay, there he is. Okay, headshot. I got plus 125 XP. XP means some rewards. It is the bitcoins.
Almost out of time.
Yes, headshot once again. Okay guys. Okay, I am scoping to see any enemies abroad. No enemies. Oh no. Oh, he was over there. Good luck next time.
Not good.
Okay guys, so the match is completed. Okay, OP Joker minus by 4 kills. Okay guys, 0 because the match is completed. Okay guys, so I'm playing another Soldiers League match. Okay guys, so it is getting loaded. Let us wait. And so now the site we are going to play in is streets. And streets is very complicated site, so we have to be careful. Okay, I need this set of weapons, so I click upon loadout and I click upon deploy to play. Okay, I have started playing. Let us go abroad. The game is starting in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and then let's go.
Go!
Okay, it is encouraging us to go forward. Yes, first kill. Okay guys, I have heard some bullets over here. Okay, there is. Oh no. Okay, I can do that. He's killed. I don't want this weapon, so I am not clicking upon F. Okay guys, there. Oh no. Okay guys, so let us deploy. Let us go up. Okay. Oh, that's it. Oh no, where did he go? I think he has jumped. Okay, there he is. Okay. Oh no guys. Let us deploy. It's quite a strong player. I can't see where the enemies are. Oh no guys, he's over there. Yes guys, at the side over here. Oh no, he has killed me. Guys, we have to watch out. They are very strong. Our opponents are very strong. See guys. There is. So guys, this is the last minute. Okay guys, so the match is over. I have scored 3 kills. So mine is not ranked. I'm exiting. So guys, as you have seen, Soldiers League is very easy to play, and you have to play 5 matches to become ranked, and after you have played 5 matches you will get ranks such as Bronze League, and after playing Bronze League you will get Silver League, and it will go on. And so please stay tuned with my channel guys, and tomorrow I will be bringing you with some more interesting content. And so till then, take care, bye.